He was such a beautiful boy. So beautiful. The light of my eyes. My own dear son.
When was the last time you saw Benny?
Well, I had a dream about him this morning. But dreams don't count, do they?
Hello? Mr. Whitmore? Mr. Whitmore, are you there?
Can you repeat that?
Your son, Benny. He's being discharged today.
Benjamin Whitmore Jr.?
That's right. He's going home. The decision is now final. You got our letter? How soon can you get here?
Give me 3 hours. Maybe 4.
See you later then.
Benjamin Whitmore Jr., date of birth April 6, 1983. Schizoaffective disorder, bipolar type, current episode hypomanic to manic. Medications, clozapine for psychosis, 200 milligrams, 8 a.m., 12 noon, Depakote for seizures, twice daily, propranolol 40 milligrams twice a day for inclusivity, lepto 900 milligrams twice daily for agitation, 10 milligrams twice daily for psychosis, powder and Ceneplus for constipation.
How could he possibly get better with all those meds?
I have more on the list.
I don't need to hear about it. Just let me have him and we'll go.
Benny?
Mr. Whitmore, there is no cure for schizophrenia.
Benny!
Not looking for a cure. I'm looking for my son.
Benny?
Mr. Whitmore!
Let me have my son!
Let me have my son.
Come thou fount of every blessing.
We're going home now, Benjamin.
To sing thy grace.
We're going home.
Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet sung by flaming times above.